Hello friends, today our topic is figure of speech. Figure of speech is a phrase that is used to convey the message more effectively, to give the special effect to the sentences. So there are some figure of the speech which is important for all the exams. First is alliteration. Alliteration is in Hindi it is known as Anupras Alankar. Consonant is repeated in this. For example, fast and furious. So FF is repeating. Peter, patter, pony. So P is repeated consonant. Here is also given, see, Peter Peeper picked a pack of pickled paper. So in this you can see the consonant P is continuously repeating. So it is an alliteration. Then second is seven silver snakes and slittered slowly. So S is repeating consonant. So it is an alliteration. So you can identify by looking the this common letters in the sentence. Second is metaphor. Metaphor, it compares the two things of similar qualities. It does not use like or as. It, it is a deep level of comparison. For example, you can say time is money. So here time is compared to money, but we are not using in this like and as. My teacher is an angel. So teacher is like an angel. Camel is a ship of desert. So here more example, his voice was a music to her ear. Now his voice is compared with the music. So metaphor, comparison. The world is a stage. Now word is compared with the stage. Understood? Metaphor. Now next is simile. Simile is also comparison, but here we are using the word like, as and like. For example, she is as brave as a lion. She is brave like a lion. He runs like the wind. So this is a simile. Simile we are using as or like to compare, and in metaphor we are not using like and as. It is a deep level of comparison. Now next is personification. As with the name you can guess, the personification means to give the human quality to something. For example, here the wind is whispered secret. So whispering is the quality of human being and it is given to the wind. Next is the sunflower dance in the breeze. So sunflower dances in the dances like the breeze. So sunflower is compared. Dancing is a quality of human being and it is given to the sunflower. Okay, so it is personification. Other example, the fire swallowed the entire forest. So the swallowed is a quality of human being. It is given to the fire. So personification.